I think I have a delivery today. This long box here. I saw it on my camera, so long box. So we're gonna take this in the front and go ahead and open it. Uh-oh. All right, folks. Right here you can see where it's from. Right here. It says David Austin Roses from Tyler, Texas. So we are gonna open this up, guys. I'm so excited. I pre-ordered this probably 8 months ago. It was like early summertime. So let's get this open. Hold tight. Took all the tape off and we're gonna look at this together. Okay. Wow. It's a damn piece of board in here. Wow, look at this. Big ass strap and everything. Wow, this is serious. I never saw this before from David Austin. Wow. They packed this seriously. Look at this. Well, you guys can't tell what it is. And this is bare root. Look at all the roots. This is bare root. So I'm going to just tell y'all anyway. But there is a tag. I'm already getting stabbed. Okay, you can see right here. The Poet's Wife. 36-inch tree. And for those of you guys that don't know what the Poet's Wife is, it's a David Austin rose, and this is the tree form. Because I had roses before in bush form, I wanted to try something new and get the tree form. So let me take this out the box and take the plastic off so you guys can see what it looked like. Look, this is serious. I had to get this on film. I never saw this before in any shipment ever. This is, I guess this is their like own technique, but very cool. Like shipping belts. That's interesting. Alright. Move the stick first. Oh, I see. So I guess they gave it to me maybe to reuse. Maybe I can reuse this as a stake because pointy at the bottom, so maybe I'm supposed to use it. All right, I need 2 hands for this. Hold tight. Okay, this is how it looked, and I'm not gonna fully take it out of this plastic because I'm not I am not going to plant this today. Unfortunately, I don't have the dirt ready, so first thing in the morning I will be getting the dirt and I will plant it up. It's very thorny up there, but you can see like some white new growth coming out, so it's ready to start pushing some new growth here. I'm trying to look close to see how they make these. I'm not sure, but it should be a lovely tree when it grows out. Here's another tag here. David Austin with their Tyler, Texas address. And then the one on top again, the poet's wife. But yeah, very thick trunk, so I don't think I'm gonna need that steak that it came with. But maybe they gave it to you like as an option to keep it in place. I'm not sure, but it's a good diameter on this trunk. I don't think I'm gonna need a steak. But I'll see what my husband say. I mean, two opinions is better than one. So I will continue this video tomorrow. Hey guys, just want to show you how the rose tree look. Believe it or not, I did plant this from the time I unboxed. 2 days later, I planted this. Literally 2 days later, which is sad. But I didn't have any time. I had so much things to do for the past 2 days. So luckily, it's a strong tree. So in my opinion, it's kind of hard to die off, especially within 2 days. So this is what it looks like now planted. I basically moved this stake, which I did not video, but this stake first was like further away from the tree trunk. It was like right here, and I was kind of like skeptical of putting it in because I thought maybe it didn't need a stake. But eventually I just put the stake closer anyway, being mindful of the tree roots, and just tied it up so it's secure, and it looks good. So I added a little fertilizer, rose fertilizer from Miracle Grow, and some mulch, and I watered it in with some rainwater. And it rained last night, guys. I have more water for my greenhouse, so I will be using this water tomorrow for the greenhouse. But I watered it in with some of the rainwater, and that's it. Just wanted to show you guys how it looked after 2 days of staying in the plastic. That is a shame, but I was so busy. So you can see those white points there on the branches. That's all growth coming out of the stems. That's all new growth, and they're all around the tree crown. So it's ready to go. It's ready to grow. Just do a quick 360. I put the stick here because it really didn't have like any branches coming out right here, so I thought that was the perfect place to put the stake. So it's there. But that's the 360, y'all. And again, this is a this one is called the Poet's Wife, and that is a beautiful, beautiful yellow rose. It's very beautiful. If you go on David Austin's website, there is like hundreds of varieties that you could choose from. As far as bush form goes, like rose bushes, but tree form, there are only a few selections on their website for tree form. I don't remember the rose petal count for this variety, but they tell you everything. The rose petal count, the smell, everything down to if it's like disease resistant or not. Like, they tell you everything. So it's a nice site, and I love it. I had a lot of rose bushes at my last house. I will put a picture of those too. And that's another reason why I wanted to try tree form this time, because I never had a tree form rose before, and I think it's very pretty once it's grown and bushed out and mature. So, but that's it for the Poet's Wife tree. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good weekend.